Hewlett Packard is a renowned global manufacturer of desktop computers and printers. In Ireland and Northern Ireland alone, the company employs more than 4,000 people at 4 sites. Tools and parts needed for the production of toner and ink cartridges are stored centrally at Hewlett Packard. A cluster of 4 Hänel Lean-Lifts provides reliable component storage and ensures fast access in the event of machinery failures. As part of an ongoing Hewlett Packard optimization program, a safer warehousing environment was set up for employees. The project involved replacing 7 existing lift systems with 4 new Hänel Lean-Lifts. This resulted in much better ergonomics in the warehouse. By fully utilizing the vertical space in the building, the Lean-Lifts provide maximum storage capacity within a very small footprint. The Hänel multifunction containers are specially configured for height-optimized storage of diverse components. The Hänel lifts are equipped with the expanded safety bypass package for more system availability. This ESB package ensures that the lifts can, in specified cases, still be operated until a service engineer arrives to take care of any problems. An integrated fire extinguishing system based on nitrogen gas helps protect both employees and storage inventory in an emergency. These intelligent Hänel solutions provide safe and sound storage for a wide range of parts.